3 set 30-ton tube ice factory projects in Southeast Asia. The ice plant is located in a tropical monsoon climate characterized by high temperatures and humidity. The client first commissioned a CBFI 30-ton split-type tube ice machine in 2023. Impressed by its sustained reliability and performance, they subsequently placed an additional order for two 30-ton integrated models to scale up their production. The integrated design reduces the footprint by 30%, effectively improving factory utilization. All projects utilize Bitzer compressors, ensuring efficient, energy-saving, and stable ice production. The large volume design significantly enhances gas-liquid separation efficiency, achieve high-level operation without liquid return. Unique vertical structure enables gas-liquid stratification and independent energy storage. Enhance de-icing speed and reduce long-term operational costs. CBFI patented heat exchange technology high-efficiency ice production rapid ice release. Produces uniform, crystal-clear ice cubes. The factory employs manual packaging methods and is equipped with a screw-type ice storage hopper. Once the ice is produced, it can be quickly packaged and sent to cold storage for storage. The ice plant has been operating continuously and stably for over 1,000 days. Ice Source, CBFI, will continue to provide customers with comprehensive after-sales service support. Ensure the efficient operation of the ice plant. Ice Source, CBFI, has expanded its business operations to over 170 countries and regions worldwide, providing one-stop customized solutions for edible ice factories.